Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, then select another shape, select another sticker, select the perspective, adjust the sticker, save the shape and sticker, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the color of shape, adjust the color, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.